What's going on YouTube? This is Manh yet again for another NFT video. And in today's video, what I'm going to be sharing with you guys is how to actually know whether you have a rare or not so rare NFT. So this has been a topic that I have seen coming out within the community, and also this is something that I have recognized whenever I was starting out in NFTs. I was like, oh, did I get a rare one? Oh, on OpenSea this looks kind of rare, but in actual fact it wasn't very rare. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple powerful tools which you can use today, where you can search whether or not your NFT or the NFT that you're purchasing is actually rare or not. So like I always mention within our videos, do not take our video as financial advice. Please make sure to always do your own research. So let's go ahead and begin this video. So here, what we want to look at is this tool here called Rarity.tools. Okay, so it does a couple of different things, but what I want to grab your attention on is this thing here. So let's say, for example, you invest into a project like, I don't know, Doodles, right? Let's see, alphabet Doodles. Okay, now just to let you guys know, not all projects that you find on OpenSea will be on Rarity.tools. So what I'll do is I'll give you a variation of different tools that may support the project that you're looking into. So here I'm gonna be giving you an example. Okay, so let's say for here I'm gonna go into item filters, listing type buy now, and then I'm gonna go into low to high. Now the reason why I do this is because usually whenever you go into OpenSea, you're going to see what is the floor price. What are people selling for their NFT for the minimum that they're selling for right now. And here is a very powerful tool which you can already start going for NFTs which are on like the cheaper side, but they're the most rarest ones. So here, let's say for example, I'm looking at alphabet Doodles and I'm like, let's see. Oh, this one here it's not really on the floor price, but look at that. Number 592. That is top 1000, and I can see that this is a lot more rarer, and I'm paying a little bit more, but I get literally top 1000 compared to floor price. So this is definitely something that I want to be looking out for, is how can I get a NFT. Maybe I pay a little bit more of a premium, but I get a more rare one, because later down in the future, if this project does go to the moon, or it does really well in the future, then people will pay more for the more rare ones. Okay, so that's the first tool, Rarity.tools. Next one is Rarity Sniper. So just like with any of these tools, they won't have all of the projects that you're looking to research, but just to give you guys an idea how this one works, let's say for example we're gonna search for, I don't know, Metaverse. Okay, so let's have a look at Metaverse here. So just like before, we go click on buy now on listings, and then we search from low to high. So here we get to see which of the metaverses are currently on the price low to high. There we go. So we get to see what people are paying for the minimum, for the lowest at the moment, for that current project. Let's see. So right now we're seeing that with Metaverse, you can buy now for 1.5 ETH for a rank 2136. So here, just like with Rarity.tools, you'll have a look to see which ones are the more rare ones at the lowest point. Okay, so this is the idea that you want to have. Also, you can have a look to see the different legendaries, see the different traits for them, and etc. Okay, so let's see. Okay, next one, we're going to be going next onto Golem.io. Okay, now Golem.io I actually prefer using as the one that I'm doing my trading, just because it's a little bit more responsive as to the reflection on OpenSea, and I'll show you guys here. So buy now, and then sort by low to high. Okay, yeah, so this one's a lot more responsive compared to Rarity Sniffer here. Okay, so here actually these ones you can actually see straight away. Let's say for example, oh, this one looks cool, let me go and purchase this one. So what I do is I have a look at the different different accessories that they have and what people are paying for right now for each one of them. So here I get a better idea as to what's going on with this particular type of NFT. So this one I actually prefer using golem.io. Okay, next one, Rarity Sniper. This one actually has a functionality to be able to integrate within Discords. So that's a perk, that's a benefit that this one has. So you can enter in, let's say for example, search CryptoPunk number 313, and then you'll be able to get an idea as to what Rarity is. So let's say for example, I'm gonna take a look at Bored Ape Yacht Club. Okay, here you get on the top side, you get to see what's the total supply on it, how many owners there is, what's the floor price, how much volume has been traded overall. So 250,000, 52,000 Ethereum, excuse me. That's amazing from this project. Let's have a look to see actually what is what kind of what's the lowest on this right now. Sorry, not the lowest. High to low. Rank low to high. Okay. So here you get to see all the highest rankings. So rank 1, rank 2. So this is the most rarest one. Number 7495. Whoever got that, boy. you're holding a gold mine right there. So I hope that video does that for today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please make sure, if you haven't already done so, do make sure to follow the Twitter so you get instant updates and news on what is going on. Also make sure, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, also that bell notification, so that you are up to date with any new videos that's coming out from this channel. And also please make sure to join the Discord, the Super Creators Discord, where you get to join a bunch of crazy communities who really is all about oneness, all about positivity and etc. It's a great community to be part of. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon.